You found this video because you're having a difficult time sliding your fifth wheel. Well, today, I'm going to show you the easiest and best way to slide your fifth wheel. Stay tuned. Okay, this is the mistake that most people make. The very first mistake is they do not lower their landing gear. So the very first thing you want to do to slide your fifth wheel is to lower your landing gear. Okay, so we've lowered our landing gear, but what I want you to notice is the position of the fifth wheel. Obviously, it's resting on the bottom of the trailer. Now, step number 2, you actually want to lower. You want to dump your airbag. That's a common mistake that most people make when they try to slide the fifth wheel. All right, so now let's go take a look at that, at the space between the fifth wheel and the top of the trailer. All right, so now you can see just a little bit of daylight in between the top of the fifth wheel and the trailer. All right, now step 3, we want to disengage our fifth wheel lock. Now we can put the truck in reverse to slide the fifth wheel forward, which will in turn shift weight off of the drive axles and onto the steer axle. So now we can see we easily slid from this position. Now you can see that we easily slid from this position forward. And we didn't have to go through all that jerking with the truck. Because the reason why the truck jerks like that is because you have all that weight pressing down on that fifth wheel. When you drop that landing gear, and drop those airbags, that's going to take all of that weight from off the top of the fifth wheel. Makes it easy to slide. So you need to slide forward, backward. That's the proper way to slide your fifth wheel. So before I finish, I just want to walk you through what's going on with this process that we just did. So we lowered the landing gear to take that weight off of the top of the fifth wheel. All right. And we dumped our airbags, which lowered the truck, which gave us space in between the top of the fifth wheel and the bottom of your trailer. Okay, so that takes all the weight off of your fifth wheel. Now, we did not unlock our kingpin because the kingpin is still inside the fifth wheel. So when you go back inside of the truck and pull forward or back, you know, depending on which way you want to slide. So the kingpin is actually now sliding the fifth wheel for you because you have all that weight is off of the fifth wheel. So that kingpin is actually sliding the fifth wheel for you. Once you disengage your fifth wheel lock, after you've dumped your airbags, then you can easily slide your fifth wheel. Then re-engage your lock, air up your airbags, and you're ready to rescale. All right, so now we've got our fifth wheel slid. Re-engage the lock. And I'm actually gonna just pull the truck forward, make sure it's locked in position. All right, so I just wanted to show you that I just refilled my airbags, and now I'll crank up my landing gear, and it's time to roll. All right, so now you have successfully slid your fifth wheel the easy way. So if this video was beneficial to you, please share it with someone else. All right, don't hold in that information. Please share it with somebody else to make their trucking path just a little easier, as I have done for you. So please just like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good YouTube stuff. See you on the next one. Peace.